Alright, this time we're getting the square root of another variable. When we talked about this, it's similar to the last example. It's going to be the absolute value. What you're going to do is you're going to divide the exponent by 2. So instead of the square root of p to the 30, we're going to write that as the absolute value of p to the power of 15. And that's just a little bit hard to see. So let me see if I can do it a little bit better for you. P to the power of 15. Now this time the exponent is odd. Okay, the exponent is an odd number. An odd number, and therefore we have to retain the absolute value signs. Okay, so your answer is the absolute value of p to the 15. Now this is very important, okay, and in particular something that I'd like you to remember, because you are probably going to run into it in years to come, and it's easy to gloss over it. The square root of x squared is not equal to x, which is what most people probably predict. Because you're going to hear math teachers tell you that the square root and the square cancel one another out. And that's going to lead you to think that the square root of x squared is x. But in fact, the square root of x squared is the absolute value of x. Okay? So be careful about that. Okay? That's a specific one that you should try to remember. Okay? Alright. Thanks for watching.